Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So guys, if you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. So guys, today I'm going to explain to you in details how you can use this perfect strategy to make a lot of profits in market. So guys, I'm going to show you how this strategy really works, and I will show you the settings of this strategy. And this strategy only works on boom 1000. It works on boom and crash 1000 and boom and crash 500. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy first, so that you guys can also have it on your phone like this before I explain how it works. So we have the first on our main chart, which is the Bollinger Band. We have the period of 20. We have the diversional of 2.000. We have our shift to be 0 applied to close, and we have our blue as the color here. So in the time frames, you are going to select all time frames, then you press on done. So we have the second window that we have here, which is the statistic oscillator. We have the K period of 20, we have the D period of 15, we have the slow of 30. So we have the price feed to be low and high, and we have our methods to be simple. So your main color will be in black color, but I'm using white background, so your signal should be in the color of your background. So if you are using black background, you should use black color. So I'm using white color here because I have white as my color. And also let me show you the level, because before I forget that, we have the first level to be 20, we have 80, we have 90, and we have 10. So you set it up like that. So exactly how this strategy really works. So guys, let me explain in details how this strategy works, because you are going to be using the help of this perfect indicator anytime it's respecting this 90 level and is respecting this 80 level. That's where you are going to be having your entry. So your entry is when this oscillator, when it cross over the 80 level, when it cross over the 80 level, and you are going to find your entry between 80 to 90 level. So you are going to find your entry around this place, and when you find your entry around there, you can easily count out down your candlestick, and you enter your market. Your stop loss will be the last spike area for here, and you keep on taking your profit as it works in the market. Now you see that. So this is 1 minute time frames. It works more better on 1 minute time frames. So I told you guys, anytime we have our oscillator that move above the 80 level, sometimes it might start from the 80 level, but you need to find your entry between the 80 to 90 level, which is going to be around this vicinity. And if you see now, it spike up to a little bit, and before you know, it starts taking up a downtrend. So with that, you can just decide that, okay, every day I want just to be catching up 5 candlestick or 7 candlestick on 1 minute time frames, and that is going to be 0.7 cents. Imagine if you open your trade with 0.20 and you open in 2 times, it's going to be about like $1.50. You see that $1.50, and if you go in the market up to like 10 times in a day, that is almost above $10 in a day. You see that. So exactly, you see what I told you guys here. So sometimes you might find your entry at the 80 level here, but that does not mean anything. But you need to master this 80 to 90 level between. So that is the entry that you need to identify. So your stop loss will be around the upper side there, and you keep on taking down your profit to this level. So it works that. And also you see that you need to wait for the market, for the oscillator to break over the 80 and the 90 level. So this vicinity is the area you are going to be looking for your entry. And once you get your entry, you keep on selling down the market, and your stop loss will be around up here, and you keep on taking your candlestick as you like. in the market. So you can set up your stop loss, you can set up your take profit 1, 2 and 3 because it works perfectly. You see, it always works once you are able to follow the rules and the regulation of this market. You see that you're going to find your entry around there, and once you enter your sell entry here, you see you keep on what selling down and taking up your profit in 1 minute time frames. So you can decide to take up to 10 candlestick with a particular accuracy. So what you just need to do is to set up this strategy and see how it really works. So let me show you guys how it works on Boom 500, because there's something that I notice when I'm dealing with this strategy on Boom 500. So guys, the best time for you to wait for this strategy is when you have your oscillator that move above the 90 level. You know, I told you guys in Boom 1000 that you are going to be waiting for your entry in 80, between the 80 and the 90 level. But when it comes to Boom 500, you need to wait till your oscillator move above the 90 level, just little above the 90 level. You see this particular time. So to avoid loss, you are going to wait a little bit for the oscillator to move above the 90 level, and with that you can catch up a lot of trade in the market. You see, that's exactly what is happening. It always happen like that in Boom 500, only in Boom 500 1 minute time frames. So you allow the oscillator to move between the 80 to 90 level at the uptrend there, and you keep on taking down your candlestick as you like. So you can decide of taking 10, 20 per day, and you can decide to take up to just 5 and 10 per day. As you guys know that there's no strategy that is 100% accurate. What you just need to do is to take one, follow the rules and the guide inside it, and make sure that you practice it well on your demo accounts before using it on your real account. You see this spot, so you find your entry and you catch up your what you catch up your trade successfully. So guys, it also works on crash 500, and it works on crash 1000. So that is how it works, because you see, one thing about this strategy is that once it is accurate, there's nothing called failure on there. I'm not saying this strategy is 100% accurate, but I'm telling you guys the fact about this strategy, that once it's respect that level, and you can see, what you just need to do is to wait for that 80 to 90 period, and then look for a best time for you to enter here, and you catch up your trade successfully every time in the market. So guys, this is your best strategy for you guys, most especially for beginners. You can use it to grow yourself, build yourself, but make sure you use it first on your demo account before setting it up on your real account. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another beautiful strategy video. And also, you can like and comment on this video, share us your experience so far using different strategy on this channel, which can really help you guys a lot. So guys, see you soon on our next video. Thanks.